Kalecki's theory of income distribution. We have already seen Calder's theory of income distribution. Now we're going to look at Kalecki's theory of income distribution. Now we are considering the case of a vertically integrated industry. So it means that this industry, we are just supposing that this industry is using the raw material which it itself is producing. And all of these workers are productive workers. And productivity of labor is also given and constant. So productivity is constant. That is one thing. This is constant. Now, of course, you know that your profits are nothing but the revenue minus costs, right? But you can write the revenue as the total value of production. Total value of production. And in place of cost, you can write total prime costs. Right. What is it that is going to be shown is that how the income is going to be distributed between, say for example, two classes. One is your capitalist class, another is your working class, is going to be determined by the ability of the firms to fix the prices above the costs. You getting the point? So for example, I am the employer, you are the employee, and there are two classes in this society, employer and employee. How the total income which is going to be generated in this economy is going to be distributed between employer and employee is going to be determined by the fact that how employer is going to fix the price above the prime costs. Okay, what is the ability of the employer to fix the price above the prime unit costs? So, well, you'll have to remember this. If I am the employer and I am able to set the price too high relative to unit costs, this is my ability. And if I am able to set the price too high to the in relation to the unit costs, then in that case there will be a larger value of income which is going to pass to me than to you. Right. So out of the total income which is going to be generated, the larger amount of income is going to be passed to me than to you. So profit is my share, wages is your share. Right. So out of the entire gross value added, the larger value or larger amount of gross value added will be flowing towards profits than towards wages. And that has been told here, that higher the price unit cost ratio, higher is the share of profits in respect to gross value added, and vice versa. Well, you'll have to remember this, that if the firms are going to raise the price cost ratio and the unit profit margins will increase. If the firms are going to raise the price, so when price is going to increase, then price to cost ratio will increase. Right, and price is increasing more than the costs, then of course the profit margins will also increase. Right, this is clear. Okay, when profit margins are increasing, see, you'll always have to keep in head that what's going on behind the scenes. You are trying to determine how the income is going to be distributed between employers and employees, between capitalists and workers, between profits and wages. So if higher share of income is going towards profits, because profits are increasing, then it means that a lesser share of the income is going towards wages, because wages are falling. Okay, lesser share of income is going towards the wages. So that would mean what? That the workers will be able to buy a smaller share of the output. Right? So there are two classes, workers and capitalists, when profits are increasing, the amount of income which is going towards wages is going to fall, then workers will be able to buy a smaller share of output.